Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, almost like a month, so I just miss you guys so much. And for this video I made a cut crease with glitters, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. To start the look, I'm gonna be using my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna start with the color Raw Sienna. I'm gonna apply the shadow on my crease, trying to make the cut crease look. I decided to start off with Modern Renaissance because it has a lot of warm tones, and I think it's perfect for the look that I'm going for. Also, just to let you guys know, this is my first cut crease that I'm doing. I always do half, but this is the first one that I do ever. Now on top of Raw Sienna, I'm gonna be using Burnt Orange. I'm gonna apply it exactly where I apply Raw Sienna, just to deepen it up a little bit more so it looks more warm. Now on top, I'm gonna be applying the shade Real Gore, which is a even deep orange, again on top of the two previous colors that I applied already. Next shade is gonna be Red Ochre, which is a deep red, more like a burgundy shade, and I'm gonna apply it on top of all the orange that I applied before. Again, same place, because we just want to darken up the crease so it's more defined whenever we apply the glitter that we're gonna apply soon. So now I'm gonna be applying Cypress Umber. I'm gonna apply a little bit on the hollow of my crease, I believe that's how it's called, just to deepen it up a little bit more. And I'm sorry if you guys hear Alex in the background, he's too excited playing Fortnite. Sorry about that. So yeah, I just applied the brown just to deepen it up a little bit more, and now I'm gonna be applying my NYX glitter glue, and I'm gonna be applying it only in one eye because I want to try out the glitters with the glitter glue in one eye and then with the concealer in the other one, just to see how I like it better. You guys will see at the end that it looks almost exactly the same, but I prefer just using the concealer, and you don't have to go and buy a glitter glue because it's totally unnecessary. You guys can just use your concealer. So I'm gonna be using this palette from Candy for Beauty. They sent it up for me so I can try it. Honestly, it's just a regular glitter palette. You can just get a glitter for a cheaper price at the drugstore if you want to, or you can get this eyeshadow palette, or you can get any other eyeshadow palette. I believe this one is just as good, but I really don't recommend just going and buying it. I believe it's too expensive, and then the shipping is way too expensive too. And let's be honest, like, you don't need those many glitters. I mean, unless you're really crazy about it. But I'm sorry, I kept talking and then I forgot about telling you that I used the pink glitter, like the light pink, and I'm applying this purple glitter. It has like pinky undertone too, but again, like, you don't need to buy this palette. It's up to you. There's a lot of other glitter palettes, but to be honest, not everybody likes glitter, so you just do you. Here I'm applying the glitter on the concealer side. As you can see, it's the same thing. I personally like it more with concealer, but if you guys want to get the glitter glue, that's up to you. I just think that it's a waste of money because you can use your own concealer. So yeah, again, the eyeshadow palette of the glitters was sent to me, but I honestly don't recommend you guys going and buying it. Don't do it. Don't. So yeah, I'm not saying that I'm not gonna use the palette because they sent it to me and I really like it, and I like using glitters. But if you guys are on a budget, just don't go for it. So now I'm using my Pretty Vulgar liner that I got on BoxyCharm. It is really amazing, and I prefer using gel because I feel like I have more how do you call this, it's more like precise. I don't know, I get more control of the liner. Now I'm gonna be applying my Cover FX blurring primer. I'm gonna apply it wherever I have most of the pores. I mean, I have pores everywhere, but you know, the ones that show the most, because I want to have a flawless complexion. And also, as you guys can see, I already applied my lashes, which I'm using the corset style from the brand Kiss. You can get them at Walmart. I really love them. I haven't stopped using them, and if you know, take care of them, you can use them a lot of times, and they're so cheap. So now I'm using the dewy primer from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna apply it in the other areas where I didn't apply primer, just to highlight a little bit more, as you, if you can say so. And then I'm going to be applying my foundation, which it will be the Super Stay foundation. I don't know if you guys can see on the video, but it's totally not my shade. It's way too yellowy, and yeah, well, but I still like it. I feel like it oxidizes a little bit as soon as you finish with your makeup. But other than that, I really like the foundation. I just need to find a lighter shade. Next, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight my face. I'm using the shade Light Sand. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. Now I'm going to be using this Fit Me concealer in the darkest shade, which, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Cafe. And I'm gonna try to contour with this concealer. Now to set wherever I apply my concealer, I'm using the Flower Beauty loose powder. I believe it's the translucent color. I really like this powder. I use also the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but I feel that this one, it's like a nice dupe from the drugstore. I haven't used the Airspun one. I've always been using the Flower Beauty one, and I really love it. I've been using this one non-stop instead of using my Laura Mercier, so I really recommend getting it. Now I'm gonna use my Pore Sculptor palette that I got on BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna use the lightest shade to contour contour just a little bit because I'm not really that good with contouring with powders. But yeah, I'm applying that on my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline, and also my nose. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using my Butter Bronzer to bring a little bit more of color to my face. And I really love this bronzer, and it's really cheap, and it's at the drugstore, and I highly recommend it, guys. I was always using a ColourPop one or the Hoola bronzer, but I've been finding myself always reaching for this one, so it's a must have. Oh my god, I can talk today. So sorry, guys. Now for blush, I'm using one of the Color Icon blushes from Wet n Wild. I'm really not sure of the shade right now, so I will probably link it down below so you guys know which shade I used. But this one is a really like natural color, so I really love it. And for mascara, I'm using my telescopic one. I really love this one for my bottom lashes. It makes it look bomb, so yeah, I really recommend it for bottom lashes. Also, excuse my hair, guys. I was trying to have my hair curly like naturally, and I totally messed it up. It doesn't look curly at all, but now it's getting a little bit more curly, so yeah, I'm happy for that. And then for highlight, I'm using Precious Petals from Wet n Wild. It's really a beautiful highlight. As you can see, it's really blinding, and it's, I think, $4, which is amazing for highlighters. So if you guys haven't tried it, you're missing out totally. To set my makeup, I'm using the Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. And for my lip liner, I'm using the Rock and Rose lip liner from Jordana, which is one of my all-time favorites. I've been using it for years now. And for my gloss, guess which one I'm using? The So Cute from Kylie Cosmetics. You guys already know this is my ride or die lip gloss. I really love it, and I can't wait to purchase more of her glosses because they are amazing and I love it. As you guys can tell by all my videos using it, I can't really stop using this baby. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking right now because if not, this video is gonna be like an hour long, and I know you guys don't like long videos, you get bored. So yeah, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also to turn your post notifications on so you get notified every single time that I post. Just if you don't know what the post notifications are, just click that bell button that it's on the side of the subscribe button, and you'll be good to go. So yes, thank you again for 100 subscribers. Can't wait to get to 200. I love you all so much. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.